Hello, everyone. Welcome to Ethiopian Tradition YouTube channel. On this channel, I will take you on an exciting journey through Ethiopia's cultural treasures. This is more than just a channel. It's a space for all of us, Ethiopians and lovers of Ethiopian culture alike, to connect, learn, and share Ethiopian tradition languages, music, and dances with respective religion. So, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this journey with others. Together, let's preserve and celebrate Ethiopia's incredible traditions for generations to come. Thank you, and let's get started. Today, I want to talk about something that lives in the heart of every Ethiopian. Something that is not just history, but pride, courage, and identity. I'm talking about the Ethiopian Adwa Festival. Every year on March 2nd, Ethiopians celebrate the historic victory of the Battle of Adwa. This battle took place in 1896 in the town of Adwa, in northern Ethiopia. On that day, Ethiopia defeated Italy and protected its independence. But Adwa is more than just a battle. It is a symbol of unity, bravery, and freedom. At that time, many African countries were being colonized by European powers. Africa was being divided and controlled. But Ethiopia stood strong. Under the leadership of Emperor Menelik II, Empress Taytu Betul, and brave generals like Ras Alula and Ras Makonnen, Ethiopians from every region came together as one. Amhara, Oromo, Tigray, Guarage, Afar, Somali, different languages, different cultures, but one heart. They fought not for money, not for power. They fought for their country, for their dignity, for their future generations. And on March 2, 1896, something powerful happened. Ethiopia defeated the Italian army. This victory shocked the world. Many people in Africa and the black diaspora saw Adwa as hope. It showed that Africans could resist colonialism. It proved that unity is stronger than weapons. Adwa gave confidence to oppressed people everywhere. Now let's talk about why Adwa still matters today. Today, they are not fighting with guns on a battlefield. But they are fighting other battles: poverty, division, misunderstanding, lack of education. Adwa teaches them something very important. Unity is power. When Ethiopians stand together, nothing can defeat them. The soldiers at Adwa did not ask each other, "What tribe are you?" They asked, "Are you ready to defend Ethiopia?" That is the spirit they need today. Adwa is also a reminder of leadership. Emperor Menelik II showed strategic intelligence. Empress Taytu Betul was not just standing behind. She was actively involved in planning and even leading troops. Ethiopian women played a strong role in this victory. So Adwa also teaches them about the power of women. During the celebration today in Ethiopia, especially in Addis Ababa, thousands of people gather wearing traditional clothes. There are cultural dances, patriotic songs, and reenactments of the battle. You will see Ethiopian flags everywhere, green, yellow, and red, flying proudly. Young children learn about Adwa in school. Elders tell the story with emotion. It is not just a holiday. It is a reminder of who we are. As Ethiopians, they should not only celebrate Adwa one day a year. They should live the message of Adwa every day. Before I finish, I want to say this. Adwa is proof that a nation with courage, unity, and faith can overcome any challenge. So wherever you are watching from, Ethiopia or abroad, remember this. Adwa is not just for Ethiopians. Adwa is for Africa. Adwa is for dignity. Adwa is for freedom. Alright, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful and entertaining. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It really supports the channel. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell icon so you're notified every time I upload. Thank you so much for spending your time here with me. Take care, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.